Okay, so ngayon naman, we will solve quadratic equation by completing the square. Again, this is another way to solve a quadratic equation or to solve for the values of x. Okay? So, paano ba itong completing the square? So, meron kasing mga quadratic equation na hindi natin kayang isolve using factoring. Okay, by factoring. Hindi rin natin kayang isolve by extracting square roots. So, dito papasok si completing the square and si quadratic formula. Okay, so for example, meron tayong x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So, paano ba itong completing the square? First thing that you need to do is to separate the constant from the terms containing x. So, kailangan nating ihiwalay yung constant term. So, kailangan natin siyang ilipat dito sa right-hand side. So, that will become x squared plus 4x. From negative 5, it will become positive 5. Again, anong method yung ginagamit natin? Completing the square. Completing the square. So, ibig sabihin, mayroon tayong kailangang idagdag. Mayroon tayong kailangang ilagay. Okay? Okay. So, we need to form perfect square trinomial. Binomial lang to. Okay? So, again, we need to form perfect square trinomial. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong kailangang idagdag na term. Okay, so ano yung idadagdag natin? Paano tayo magdadagdag? Kunin mo yung coefficient ni x. Anong coefficient ni x? Which is 4. Divide mo sa 2, and that is equal to 2. And after that, i-raise mo sa 2 or square mo. And that is equal to 4. Okay, so kung ano yung nakuha mo dito, that is positive 4, i-add mo lang. So, plus 4. So, kung ano yung inad mo sa left-hand side, i-add mo lang din siya sa right-hand side. So, kung ano yung ginawa mo sa kaliwa, ganun lang din yung gagawin mo sa kanan. Okay, then after nun, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. Okay, and next, this x squared plus 4x plus 4, this is already a perfect square trinomial. Okay, and that is equivalent to x plus 2 squared. Okay, so kung ano yung nakuha mo dito sa b over 2, so 4 over 2, which is 2. Yun lang din yung nandito. Okay, so x plus 2 squared. So once na ginamitan mo siya ng FOIL method, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2, the answer is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, and that is equal to 9. Okay, so now, x lang yung kailangan natin. Pwede na natin kunin yung square root. So, kunin ang square root ni x plus 2 squared, kunin ang square root ni 9. So, cancel si square root, cancel si squared. So, we have x plus 2 is equal to positive, negative, square root of 9. X plus 2 is equal to positive, negative. The square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so now what will be the value of our x? Okay, so ano yung magiging value ng x natin? So we have, sige, x plus 2 is equal to positive, negative 3. So x lang yung kailangan mo. So ibig sabihin, itong positive 2 kailangan mo ilipat sa kabila. So that will become x is equal to, from positive 2, it will become negative 2, then plus or minus 3. So, dalawa yung value ng x na makukuha natin. So, dalawa yung solution na makukuha natin. So, yung una is x is equal to negative 2 plus 3. And the other one, we have x is equal to negative 2 minus 3. So, this is plus or minus, or positive and negative. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. And Negative 2 minus 3, that is negative 5. Okay, so ganun lang po kapag ginamitan natin siya ng completing the square. Okay, so another. Okay, so another example is x squared minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, first step, kailangan nating ihiwalay itong constant term. Okay, so that is x squared minus 2x. From negative 2, it will become positive 2. Okay, so next, kailangan nating bumuo ng perfect square trinomial. And to form a perfect square trinomial, kunin mo yung coefficient ni x or coefficient ng ating linear term, which is negative 2. So negative 2 divided by 2, i-divide mo lang siya sa 2. So that is equal to negative 1. And erase mo lang siya sa 2 and that is equal to positive 1. So plus, kung ano yung nakuha mo, which is 1. Then next, kung ano yung inad mo dito, yun yung i-add mo sa kabila. Okay, so next, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. So this x squared minus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. So that is equivalent to x. Tapos ano yung nakuha mo kanina? Negative 1. Kung ano yung nakuha mo sa b over 2, yun yung ilalagay mo dito. Okay? So since that is negative 1, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So that will become negative 1, then squared is equal to 3. Okay, so next, kunin ang square root. So square root of x minus 1 squared is equal to positive negative square root of 3. So cancel, cancel. So we have x minus 1 is equal to positive negative square root of 3. So x lang yung kailangan natin. X lang yung kailangan natin, okay? And that is x is equal to, from negative 1, it will become positive 1, then plus or minus the square root of 3. Okay, so yung solutions or yung roots, okay, so yung roots natin, or solutions are x is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 and x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 3. Okay, so ganun lang po yung pag-solve ng value ni x or roots or solutions by extracting square roots.